Exception handling in C# 9.0. 1. Handling exceptions using try-catch blocks. In C#, you use try-catch blocks to handle exceptions. The try block contains the code where an exception may occur, and the catch block catches and handles exceptions. You can catch specific exceptions or use a generic catch block to catch any exception. 2. Throwing and catching custom exceptions. C# allows you to create custom exceptions by defining new exception classes that inherit from system.exception. You can throw custom exceptions using the throw keyword and catch them just like built-in exceptions. 3. Using finally block for cleanup operations. The finally block ensures that a specific block of code executes, whether an exception is thrown or not. It is commonly used for cleanup operations, like closing files or releasing resources. 4. Best practices for exception handling. Catch specific exceptions. Catch specific exceptions that you can handle, rather than using a generic catch block. Log exceptions. Always log exceptions to help with debugging and troubleshooting. Avoid swallowing exceptions. Don't catch exceptions without taking appropriate action. It may hide issues. Use using statement when working with disposable resources, for example, file streams. Use the using statement to ensure proper cleanup. Keep exception messages descriptive. Exception messages should provide useful information about what went wrong. Summary. Use try-catch blocks to handle exceptions. Create and throw custom exceptions for specific scenarios. The finally block is essential for cleanup operations. Best practices include catching specific exceptions, logging, and keeping exception messages descriptive. Thanks for watching.